in the sense of helping the public to manage infections and to live in the COVID-19 environment that we may have for quite some time. Government has hastened the process of constructing the pedestrian bridge. The site was shifted from Mama Ngina waterfront across the parallel to the ferry to Liwatoni, across the channel onto the other side called Rasbofo, just below the Kenya Ferry headquarters. The length will be about 800 meters, a little longer, but much more agreeable to the technicians, to the engineers. And I think the site has been taken over by the contractor, and work should begin almost immediately. We are informed that by the 27th of November, the bridge should be able to serve the public that has always used the ferry. And it will ease a lot of congestion that we see on our ferries on a daily basis. Although, of course, the ferries have also improved greatly in the way they serve people, and discipline has been mainstreamed. You don't see the running, the hustling, the struggles that used to characterize the Likoni crossing.